Having trouble with the lack of trunk space in your supercharged pavement terror? Need something that'll haul groceries at 150 miles per hour? Looking for something LS power to show those pesky Dodge brothers they ain't the only muscle car outfit in town? If you answered yes to any of those questions, the SEMA-featured 55 Nomad is the lust-worthy custom you've been searching for. Professionally assembled by Salvaggio Auto Design at a documented cost of $283,000, the SEMA-featured Chevy represents a pinnacle of retro performance. The House of Kolor TruBlue Pearl is beautifully maintained, stacked with Granite Metallic roof tone to cast spectacular reflections across a raked profile. That profile is traced in black chrome, which includes smoothed bumpers, factory mirrors, RainGear wipers, and hardware for traditional lighting. And a Cobalt Black Jetbird prominently rides the hood. Pop the car's doors and you'll find a fully custom cockpit that's right at home, stealing the show. It begins with tight Daytona Carpet that founds bench seats in front of a fully finished cargo hold. A leather-wrapped dash stretches monochromatic billet around a vintage radio, hidden controls for modern air conditioning, and a full array of classic instruments gauges. And a leather-wrapped steering wheel laps a tilting column. Pop the billet-braced hood and you'll find 416 cubic inches of massaged LS3 power that is force-fed air by a twin-screw supercharger. Getting that power back to the wide 335s out back is a 4L80E, spinning a strange 9-inch with posi-traction. There's no doubt Tri-5s, whether Bel Air or Nomad, will remain highly sought collectibles. And this stunning SEMA-featured Nomad, combining incredible performance with timeless appeal and outstanding aesthetics, cranks collectability and exclusivity straight up to 11. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.